Let's learn the final nun. This is the shape of the nun only when it comes at the end of a word. If you write it, you're going to make it very narrow and it's going to go below the line. You're going to make it very narrow and it goes below the line. You're going to write it again, very narrow and below the line, and one more time, very narrow and below the line. Remember, it's the narrow-nosed nun, except it goes below the line only when it comes at the very end of a word. That's the only time that you see this. If you were going to write it in cursive, then it's very narrow and it goes below the line like this. Sometimes when you write in cursive, you're going to see it at an angle. That's the final nun. It goes below the line and it's very narrow and it sounds like n, and it's the only shape that you see. The only time you see it is when it's at the end of a word. It represents the number 50, the final nun.